tapping maples, and as you can see, it's running pretty good. So now what Jason's going to do is, you see that this main line here, we got about 2,000–3,000 feet running through the woods. Jason's going to connect each tap from the tree with a connector, and he's going to connect each tree tap to the main line. And then the main lines are going to run, you can see them, main lines run, see, main lines run right down that ravine all the way to the cabin where we have the evaporator. So we have to tap probably 30–35 trees, connect them each into this line, and that's half the battle. There you go. Right, Jace? Yeah, okay. Just sealing the connector to the Ojibwa, or whatever that joint is.
This is a homemade tool, but
yeah, Jason made that tool himself. It's an easy way to get it. So we'll work our way down the hill, and as the sap is running from the tree into the main lines, as we go from tree to tree, it'll eventually, the main line here will fill up, and it'll run all the way down, and it'll run on the ground for a little bit, but that's how we clean out the lines. And then we'll get the barrel set up and continue our merry way. Okay, there you go. Little sugaring lesson 101.